People like you or I know, we have an unshakable belief that cars are living entities. Well, not a Toyota Corolla, obviously, but you can develop a relationship with a car, and that's what non-car people just don't get. There's a guy called Charles Babbage who invented the computer back in the 18th century who talked about the unerring certainty of machines.
Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. Today is Saturday. If you guys take a look up the sky, you guys see that? It's not sunny, it's freaking cloudy. Yo, NYC is always so great. But anyways, guys, it's supposed to be raining in between 16 and 20 minutes, so I don't have a lot of time to film this video. So guys, this is such a random thing to say, but yo, NYC is not aesthetic at all. When it comes to trying to film cars and, you know, make videos about cars, NYC is the least aesthetic place to like try to film cars. I love the aesthetics of Cali. Like Cali is always bright, it's colorful, but NYC, yo guys, tell me, right? Everything is fucking gray. Like I don't even have a filter over this, but like everything is just, it's gray. It's sad. But anyways, guys, you know, I feel like a gray world with a black car is a great mix. And an all black outfit also. Damn, I'm Batman or something. All right, guys, enough of me talking. Let's get into the Batmobile. I mean, the RCF. All right. All right, let's go. Okay, it's not gonna be a cold start for you guys. It'll be more of a warm start, but you know, it's better than nothing. You guys heard that pop? Sheesh, B58 could never. What's up, sexy ass steering wheel? What's up, Kenpachi? Yo, yeah, yeah. Anyways, guys, we are off for the drive. I'm gonna try to get in some nice sound clips. I'm gonna try to get some downshifts, and yeah, I probably won't be going too ham because the roads are wet. Well, anyways, guys, I'm gonna start going. I feel like this is like the 8th time I'm saying I'm gonna start going, so I'm gonna just put on the GoPro, aka the action camera, and yeah, you know, it's barbecue chicken from there. You guys feel me? Pull up, bang 2 3s. Actually, play it safe. I'm gonna just add some gas. It can't hurt to add gas. And I am kind of low. I'm not trying to be that low. You know, I like my fuel pump to be constantly functioning correctly. Okay. Yo, I wonder if I go up north, will it be raining up north? I don't know. Shit, but the rain is coming down. Oh no. Put this shit back. Put that back. Screw this shit on. We're good. And grab the GoPro. All right, guys, even though it's raining, I'm gonna still party. Feel me, guys? We are still going to party in the rain. Safely, though. I don't plan on partying with anyone, though. This is a solo party. Damn, it's mad cars. How will I do this? I'm in a real tough predicament right here. Oh, man, this traffic shit. Damn. Just a clean ass wheels. Sheesh. All right, guys, so I'm traveling up north, hoping there's no rain up north, but knowing my luck, there's probably even more rain up north. I try to check the app or GPS, and it's supposed to be not as rainy up north, apparently. It's supposed to be just cloudy and shit, but there's only one way to find out, though. I've owned this car for like, I feel like over 2 years now, and the sound this car makes, oh my gosh, it never gets old. Like, I prefer this sound over a B58 pops. Like, blah, 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 blah. I feel like this sound is more like, it's such a unique sound, and it's more iconic in my opinion. I feel like everyone has pops, but no one has a, I don't know, yo, shit. I'm not gonna hold you guys. That pre is really hitting. I got mad energy. You guys see what I mean? A B58, I can't do this. Wow. Damn, it just had to start raining. Hey, at least we start up though, feel me? At least we got Kenpachi though, you feel me? At least we have a half steering wheel that's super controversial, you feel me? I don't know, guys. I'm just, I am talking. I'm yapping. Full transparency, guys. Early this morning, I drank a few scoops. I had a few scoops of Pre, and I don't know, like it got me sweating. It got me hot in the cold, like, and it got me talking a lot and yapping. All right, guys. So our cool drive and landed us at Wendys. So I guess I might as well get breakfast here. Wait. Shit, it's 12. I might as well get some lunch here. I don't know, because I'm here anyways, right? So I might as well just go. It just got mad busy here all of a sudden. Hey, what's going on? All right, anyways, I'm wasting time. I should probably hurry up before it starts to pour and before I can't even go. I don't know if I'm I should just hurry up because I'm not X-Drive. I'm not all-wheel drive, unfortunately. Must be nice. But damn, there's a lot of people here, including myself, of course, because I'm a fat ass. You guys thought I was excluded? Nah, guys, I'm the #1 fat ass you could possibly ever meet in your life. Don't let my physique fool you, man. I eat anything and everything, you feel me? That's why somehow I drove and I landed over at Wendys. Out of all fucking places, a food spot, of course. All right, guys, let's go. But yeah, guys, our fat ass is at Wendy. Got the RCF parked over there. It needs a real wash. It needs like a focus. Yeah, man, I think it needs a wash, but from far away, it's fucking clean. All right, guys, so I really didn't know what to get because I wasn't really hungry, right? But I wanted to get something, so I got myself a small cup, a small one. And there's also this drink here that's mad good. It's like an iced tea drink. I think it might be a Minute Maid. I don't know. It might be, but I had it one time, it changed my life. But after that one time, guys, I did not have it again because I never came to a Wendy's until now. But I can't remember what it was. I think it had to be a Minute Maid, right? 0 sugar, and it had to be peach. I think maybe peach lemonade. I think. Should I get ice with this shit? Yeah, let's get some. All right, yeah, that's enough ice. I don't need that much ice because it is still winter time. Let's do that. Hey. Okay, guys, it wasn't this drink because it was not this color. So I got the wrong drink, but it's all right. Still, I'm still a thirsty son of a.
One eternity later.
I'm still a thirsty son of a gun. You guys thought I was gonna curse, right? I'm a changed man. It's 2025. There's no more fucking curse. Oops. Whoops. Well, I thought I was a changed man. All right, let's put this over. I don't know why I'm vlogging this shit, y'all, but I don't know. It might be interesting to someone. All right. Honestly, it wasn't this, but it's pretty refreshing. All right, guys, on that note, we got the package that we did not come for at Wendy's, and now it's time to head back in careful style. Guys, the floor is real slippery, but yeah, guys, it's time to head back. What's good, RCF? Man, I love this car. I love this car. And also, oh shit, someone is painting. That's the smell. I just realized, guys, I came out the car. I smelled mad chemicals, right? And I was like, what the fuck is that? I look up, I see an open window right there, right? That one, wait, here's my hand. That one right there, right? It's open. Someone is painting, and the thing that they are painting or the spray they are using is coming out. I could smell it, and I don't know if it's, well, anyways, that's my cue to leave before the paint on this car gets even more damaged than it is. Close the shit. Start it, cold start. Cold warm start. Shit. Hey, not that bad. Not that bad. Hey. All right. It's time to go. Yo, guys, you guys see this shit? There's one thing after another. Key battery low. Shit. If you guys are still watching, and if you guys fuck with cars in general, please make sure you hit that like button on this video. But if you don't like cars, then obviously don't feel pressure to hit the like button. It's okay. But if you do really like cars, make sure you hit the like button. And also, yeah. Anyways, enough of me being one of the most awkward people probably on YouTube, and yeah, it's time to get jiggy with it once again, guys. Put this shit in D, put this shit in sport, and time to go.